Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add percentage labels to a pie chart in Excel. So let's start this my Excel, and here you can see I have a data, product category name, and here sales amount. So here I'm going to first create pie chart. To create pie chart, simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and you can select here entire data. Then go to the insert tab in charts group, click on the pie charts option, and here add the first pie chart, the 2D pie chart. Okay, here you can see the pie chart is inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. So to add the percentage, use a simple right click on the any slice of pie chart and click on the add data label, and again right click on the mouse and click on the format data labels, and here you can see the right hand side labels options is showing. Okay, just click on the percentage. See here in the pie chart, when I click on the percentage is added. Okay, now I just untick the value and see the value is untick. Okay, that's it. So this is a way you can add the percentage labels to a pie chart. Okay, just close this format data labels and that's it. And here you can see. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.